Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. This is Unit 2, Construction Industry Environment for DCV 50153, Project Management. Baik, sebelum kita masuk dengan lebih lanjut lagi dalam Unit 2, kita tengok dulu apa dia topik learning outcome. Yang pertama sekali, students should be able to explain project participant needs at the individual, team, division and organizational level in construction. Yang kedua, students should be able to classify the condition of contract and the implication for the construction team. Dan yang ketiga ialah students should be able to describe the registration procedure for licensed contractor and method to apply Companies Commission of Malaysia ataupun lebih dikenali sebagai SSM. Dalam unit 2, kita akan cover 4 subtopik iaitu 2.1 Project Participant, 2.2 General Conditions of Contract, 2.3 General Procedure Registration for Licensed Contractor dan 2.4 Companies Commission of Malaysia SSM. Seterusnya kita akan tengok kepada subtopik yang pertama iaitu 2.1 Project Participant. Dalam video ni kita akan cover tajuk Authorities Involved in Construction. Seperti yang ditunjukkan dalam slide ni, ini adalah senarai pihak berkuasa yang terlibat dalam sesebuah projek pembinaan. Antaranya adalah Local Authority, Land and Minerals Office, Public Work Department, Fire and Rescue Department, Water Authority, Tenaga Nasional Berhad, Department of Irrigation and Drainage, CIDB, Sewerage Services Department, SPAN. Local Authority ataupun pihak berkuasa tempatan bertanggungjawab dalam beberapa perkara seperti yang pertama, prepare development control planning including providing structural plan. Yang kedua, plan the development of new town. Yang ketiga, manage garbage collection services and supervise the town cleanliness. Seterusnya, manage health services, manage the construction and maintenance of drainage. Also to provide public facilities such as market, hawker area and multipurpose complex. Pihak berkuasa tempatan juga berperanan dalam beberapa perkara seperti granting planning permission and building plan approval. Observe and make sure construction projects obey the rules and comply with UBBL. And also, they are responsible to give consent to commence work on site and to issue the certificate of fitness for occupation. Land and Minerals Office pula berperanan untuk proses, approve and alienate of the land title application, subdivision of plot and change of land use, subdivision of plot and change of ownership, mortgage and lease of land. They are also responsible for approved change of land usage for public use and set the land ownership. As for Public Work Department, kalau dekat Malaysia lebih dikenali sebagai Jabatan Kerja Raya ataupun JKR, is the Federal Government Department in Malaysia under Ministry of Works Malaysia, which is responsible for construction and maintenance of public infrastructure in Malaysia. Antara peranan-peranan untuk Public Work Department adalah prepare infrastructure development and public facilities, especially road, water supply, building, airport, harbour, port and others. They also are responsible to plan, design and construct infrastructure projects, manage the operational and maintenance works for roads, water supply and special government offices, provides advisory services on construction technology, and also to provide technical advisory services to the government at national, state and district level. Seterusnya kita akan lihat pula peranan Department of Environment ataupun di Malaysia lebih dikenali sebagai Jabatan Alam Sekitar JAS. Antara peranan mereka adalah approve the Environmental Impact Assessment EIA for any construction project. Seterusnya, ensure all approved terms and conditions of EIA report are part of the tender document, and to ensure the client carries out the EIA instruction at every stage of construction as early as the planning stage of pre-feasibility study, feasibility study and design. Fire and Rescue Department pula berperanan to determine and propose fire prevention system required based on location plan, key plan and layout plan as well as emergency fire escape. They also have to ensure water supply facilities are available in the area to be built. They also have to check, approve and ensure that the building plan and mechanical and electrical plan fulfill the regulations in fire prevention 244 in the UBBL 1984. And then they have to check and test run on the fire prevention system installed in the completed building to support the approval of the certificate of fitness for occupation. And then release fire acknowledgement letter and prevent, they are also responsible to prevent and put out fire, granting planning permission and building plan approval. Seterusnya untuk Water Authority, mereka berperanan to approve application for supply of clean water for construction work and also to provide adequate quantity of water supply, clean and safe to use for domestic or industrial usage. As for Tenaga Nasional Berhad, they have to plan and prepare electric supply system to fulfill the construction project needs. They also have to carry out construction of infrastructure for supply of electricity and provide adequate and safe electricity supply. Moving on to the roles of Construction Industry Development Board, CIDB, they have to develop and encourage development, improvement and expansion of construction industry, provide advisory and suggestion to the federal and state government on matter related to construction industry, develop, encourage and manage research related to construction industry, develop, encourage and help to export services related to construction industry. They also have to encourage standardization and improvement on construction techniques and construction materials, and regulate the implementation of industrialized building system in the construction industry. As for the role of Department of Irrigation and Drainage, they have to provide infrastructure for irrigation and drainage, improve services in river engineering, install river culvert, prevent deposition depending of the river basin, and etc. The Sewerage Service Department responsible to approve plan and recommended certificate of fitness for occupation when associated with sewerage. They also have to supervise sewerage services and provide regulation, standard and specification for approval and installation of sewerage system. Seterusnya untuk National Water Services Commission (SPAN), they are responsible to formulate and implement a plan so that all reasonable demands for sewerage services are satisfied and in consultation with the relevant authorities, and also prepare a sewerage catchment plan, formulating the policy and general proposals in respect of the development of any new sewerage system and measures for improvement of any existing sewerage system. They also have to ensure long-term sustainability of quality water and sewerage services, and to implement and enforce the Water Supply and Sewerage Services Law. So this is the end of this video. Till we meet again in the next class. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.